Hello, everyone. Today, we're introducing the B2341 PLC and how to use it. The B2341 is Odot's latest economical PLC, built on the BOXIO architecture. It complies with the IEC 61131 standard and offers options for 32 or 64 I/O points. Programming is done through CODESYS. Let's dive into today's session.
First, open the CODESYS software. Go to Tools, Install Device, and click Install. Browse for the XML description files and install both the PLC and module description files. Next, create a new project. Choose Standard Project and hit OK. Then, select B2341. You can pick your preferred programming language. Options include ST, LAD, and more. Here, we're choosing ladder diagram. Right-click and select Add Device. Under Other and Field Bus, you'll find detailed device categories, including drivers for devices from other brands. Expand the Other section and select I/O modules. Click Add Device and right-click to insert a module. The B2341 comes with built-in outputs, CT221F, and inputs, CT124F. Insert it into the rack, then double-click the module to check the I/O mapping status. Always enable update variables, so you can refresh it while online. Let's adjust the input as well. In PLC_PRG, when 90 is activated, it will output to QX0. We use % plus the address for absolute addressing of input and output registers. 9 stands for input and QX stands for output next. Let's download the program to the PLC and test if the configuration is correct. Double-click on device 2341. Go to Communication Settings. Enter the PLC IP 192.168.0.15. Hit Enter. Then connect and click Compile. Once the compile finishes without errors, click Login to upload. Click Yes. Then hit the triangle symbol to run the PLC. I'll trigger the PLC's 90.0, and we can see the input is now active. The program is working fine, and the output QX0 is also active. Let's check the module, and the I/O mapping status is updated correctly. Next, we'll test Modbus TCP. Right-click to add a device, select Network Adapter, and choose Ethernet. Click to add the device, then right-click to add the Modbus TCP client master. Click to add. Right-click again to add the Modbus TCP server slave. Click to add, double-click on the slave, go to General, configure the slave IP, then click on the Modbus slave channel. Add the registers you need to operate, then click to add a channel. Our slave is CN8031 with a 16-channel output, so we'll write to all 16 outputs. Function code 15, length 16. Always update variables to enable, so you can see the data refresh when online. Compile and log in to upload the program to the PLC. Click the play button to run the PLC, then double-click I/O mapping. Expand the data, set the preset value to true, then press Ctrl plus F7 to write it. Check the module output. Everything's normal. Now write false. Check the status again. Everything looks good. That's the basic operation of the B2341 PLC. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.